Hi, today we are going to see arrays. Before we are going to see the definition of array, there are several data structures we are going to see one by one. Among all, array data structure is a important one. So, the definition of array data structure it is: an array is a linear data structure that collects elements of the same data type and stores them in contiguous and adjacent memory locations. Okay. So, array is a linear data structure. Why it is called a linear data structure? So, we are going to see why it is called a linear data structure. Before that, the important properties of an array, it is, there are three properties are there. We say one by one. Each element in an array is of the same data type and carries same size, that is 4 bytes. So, in a memory, each and every array element which takes 4 bytes of memory. Then second one is elements stored at contiguous memory locations. And the third important property is elements of an array can be randomly accessed. Even though which is stored in a linear way, we are able to access randomly through program. Okay. So, these are all the three important properties of an array. For example, how can the array which is represented? The representation which is given here, suppose value of 10 is equal to, we are giving 10 numbers here. Okay. So, these numbers we call it as elements, and the 10 it is nothing but size of a particular array, and value it is nothing but name of the array. Okay. Suppose these numbers are integer numbers, in a program we are able to declare that int value of 10. Okay. So, what do you mean by value of 10 means it is represented like value of 0, and keep in mind that array always starts from 0th element, not 1. So, it starts from 0 up to value of 9. Okay, 0 to 9, it is 10 elements are there. So, what is value of 0? Value of 0 it is nothing but 3. What is value of 1? Value of 1 it is nothing but 5. So, like a way we are able to take the numbers one by one and we are storing the numbers in the corresponding array location. Okay. What is value of 9? Value of 9 equal to 3. So, this is what the array representation, array which is the elements which is stored in an array. Okay. So, why are arrays required? What is the necessity of array? And as far as the array is concerned, what is it? Before we are using array, whatever the number we want to store it up, I want to declare separate variable for each and every number. Suppose I want to store the number 3 means I want to represent int x equal to 3 like this. Okay. Suppose I want to take one more number means I have to initiate y equal to 5. So, like a way we need 10 variables without storing array, whereas instead of that 10 variables within the array we are able to store all 10 numbers within a single variable. That single variable it is called value. So, how can we represent each and every number? Value of 0 equal to 3, value of 1 equal to 5, value of 9 equal to 3. So, value of 2 equal to 7, value of 3 equal to 12. So, like a way within a single variable we are able to manipulate, we are able to handle 10 numbers within a single variable. So, that is the important point of array. Okay. Why arrays required? Storing and searching of a value is easy. So, sorting and searching. Sorting as well as searching is easy in array. Then the second one, best to process multiple values. So, compare with the normal variable, array variable is very best method to process multiple values within a single variable. And the third one, it is good for storing multiple values in a single variable. So, this is what this is the reason we go for array. Okay. So what do you mean by memory allocation means, as far as the array is concerned, we are using, just we are saying that 0 based indexing, 1 based indexing and n based indexing. We are using these three terms. What do you mean by 0 based indexing means, here one example is given that in this example we are representing 5 values through one variable, it is called ARR, ARR of 0, ARR of 1, ARR of 2, like way up to ARR of 4. So how many values we are handling? We are handling 5 values. What is the first value? First value it is 100. It resides in ARR 0. 101 which resides in ARR 1, and 104 the value which resides in array 2. 106 resides in array 3, 108 resides in ARR 4. Okay. So how can we represent here? How can we declare here in the program? We are declaring int ARR of 5. Why we call it as it is int? This is called, these numbers are called integer numbers. So that's why we are representing the integer data type, and the name of the array it is ARR. How many values we are manipulating? We are manipulating 5 values here. Okay. So on the whole, array is an important data type. Array is a one type of data structure we are frequently used in our programs, and through arrays we are going to see several examples how array it is useful when we are implementing the array into the several problems. Okay. Thank you.